Hello, my name is Mike, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a website that will be free forever and no technical skills needed. Once you have your website, you'll be able to optimize it yourself so that you can appear higher in search results for Google or other search engines. To make our website today, we're going to use the WebNode 2.0 online website maker because it is easy to use, there is no software download or installation required, and you'll be able to edit it whenever you would like. Also, you'll be able to create a professional and stylish website. Click on the button in this video or click on the link in the video description below to get started making your website with me. Once you're on the home page, click on Get Started and fill out the registration form. Enter the name of your website, your email address, and a password. You use the same email address and password to log in and edit your website whenever you want. Now, click on the button Register and Create to get started. Templates are organized by business categories and topic. They all come with default content to help and inspire you while you build your website. Every element in the template can be edited, and all templates are fully responsive, meaning that they will automatically adjust to various screen sizes, including mobile devices. WebNode's editor makes use of 4 types of tools. Some are for customizing the design, others create and edit the layout of the sections of the website, some add content like text, images, videos, or forms, and in Pages, here, you can edit the menu of the website. Double-click text to edit them. With the text toolbar, you are able to make text bold or in italics and change the font, style, or size. You can also enlarge titles by clicking on this button. To change the header image, click on the Settings button and then click Add Image. WebNode offers a large collection of free images for use on your website. Or click on Upload Images if you want to use your own image from your computer. Choose the one you want, press OK, and then double-click it to add it to your website. Go to Effects to customize the header image. Here, you can add filters, change the brightness and position, or crop the image by clicking Customize and using the image resizer. Add sections to have more space for all types of content. This will allow you to change the layout, add variety, and even add attention-grabbing titles to your site. Click the plus to create one. I'm going to use a services section that I've already created to show you how it works. You can add more elements by clicking on the plus and edit them by double-clicking the element. Now, modify the text by using the text editor bar and change the style and other edits. Click Change Image if you would like to use a different one. To modify the order of the elements displayed, simply drag and drop them to another place in the list. To delete an element, select the one you don't want, click on the trash bin, and then click Delete. You can also delete a section by clicking on the Settings button and then clicking Delete. You will then be able to create a new one in its place. If you have a price list on your website, you can add more elements by clicking the plus and editing the details we see right now. Add new content to your website using the Add Content tool that you will see when scrolling over the section. Let's add a button. Now, I insert a link to a page on the website, and I double-click the button to change the text, as you see now. If you want to edit other pages, go to the menu and click the page you want to edit. Add a text and image section by clicking the plus and then this button. Now, change the image by selecting it first, then click Edit, and then Replace. We can place the image in different places within the text by dragging and dropping it. Adjust the size by pulling the corners. You can also move the text to different areas, and if the image is too large, you can adjust the focus with the slider on the side. For adding YouTube or Vimeo videos, click on Video with the Add Content tool. Then simply paste the video link in this field and press OK. Once it is on your site, resize it by pulling the corners. Finally, let's add a photo gallery. First, click the plus to add a section and place it where you want it. Click Upload Images and select the ones you would like to use. Once they are uploaded, click Close. To view the images in full screen, simply click the thumbnail on your published website. Edit the menu of your website by clicking Pages. Click Add Page to create a new page for your site. Choose the layout, name the page, and click Create. If you want a subpage, click Add Page and follow the same directions. Then, click on the page name and drag it just a little bit to the right. You can reorder the pages in the menu by dragging and dropping them within the list. If you would like to rename it, double-click the name and change it. And if you want to delete a page, select it and click Delete Page. Once you are happy with your menu, click Close. Now that you have your menu ready, link your elements to different pages on your website by clicking Add Link. By doing so, you will allow your visitors the ability to browse your site faster and in a more user-friendly way. Now, let's take a look at adding widgets. To add a Google Maps widget, click on the plus and then Map. Enter the address and press OK. You can resize the map by clicking and dragging the corners. To insert an external widget, click the plus, then click the black dot and choose HTML. Now paste the external HTML code into the field and press OK. As an example, I added a live chat widget to talk with visitors. Click Publish to publish all your changes to the internet. Click on your project's name to see the published version of your site. And now, this is how it looks on the internet. Take a look at the chat box widget. It's only shown in the published version of your website. To edit your website, go to the WebNote homepage and click Login. Enter your email address and password and click Login. If you forgot your password, click here and follow the instructions to receive a new one. If you need to contact the support staff or check out the knowledge base, go to your My Projects page and choose the website you have a question about. Click on Menu and then Support. Having and creating your own website is a very useful skill for both personal and commercial purposes. An online presence will allow you to reach anybody in the world wherever you are. In this video, we've seen how simple it is to create a website with WebNote. If you have not gotten started yet, click on the button in this video or click on the link in the video description below. If you have any comments or questions for me, simply leave it below. If you found this video tutorial useful, like us and subscribe to the video using this button. You will be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for taking the time to view this video tutorial. I look forward to seeing you online soon.